What's up, you dirty little hoggers? I'm out here on episode 2 of finding big old South Dakota perch on sloughs in southeast South Dakota. I'm with Kenny today. That was a very terrible intro, but we're trying a new slough today, so hopefully there's some fish out here. There's 2 people out here, so fishing next to them because we're in a decent spot, I think. But stay tuned. Using minnows and waxies today. Kenny's setting up, but stay tuned. Today, I'm setting up some tip-ups with some smaller minnows. I like using the smaller ones just because the perch like them more. But, yeah. Gonna set this guy all the way to the bottom and reel up about 2 feet. That's how I set my, actually not even 2 feet, it's like 8 inches. That's how I like setting my tip ups. So reel down to her and I reel back up. It's about good. I go back down because then I like setting it on the lowest or lightest just because they're perched. They don't bite too heavy. Getting set up now. Using some waxies that aren't really that alive, but along with a 64th. I don't know how well you can see that. 64th ounce Tiger Fire. Fish on. Oh, it's a good one. Oh yeah. That's not bad. I might keep. Oh, you stay here, Mr. Glove. There we go. Probably 9-incher or so. Caught on that tungsten, baby. I moved and found a fish. Hell yeah. 9-incher. Like I said, caught on that little tungsten, but I'm gonna get down there and see if there's another one. He came up and smacked me right away. I can definitely tell them they're a bigger fish. That might be too small. Come on. It's a decent one. Oh yeah, another keeper. Heck yeah, bud. Again, that little tungsten there. Try another 9-incher. Keeper to me. Some people might not, but God, that's a beautiful fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little smaller than the last one, but still a blast to catch. Fishing 9 feet or so. Wasn't even ready. Oh, that's a tank. Oh, I got a tank. What? It's a tank. Minnow. That is a freaking unit. All a 10. Oh, baby. That is a that's some South Dakota gold right there. That is what we came here for. Let's go. Got a little leech on him, but beauty. That is a freaking beauty all day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn up. Thanks, Mr. Minnow. I won't mind that again. Shee. Let's see what he measures out. Measures 10. 10, baby. That one was 10. Oh shit. That pool has one. Ah. Come on. Oh, nice little run over here. A little walleye. Kenny, I caught a little walleye. It's like 8, 9 inches. Ain't no keeper, that's for sure. There you go, bud. No, I want to catch a fish. Oh, There's a fish. Got him. While I was falling. It's a perch. It's a keeper too. This is 9 easy.
It's about 7.
About 8 crappie getting this guy, but he's a beauty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some would call that 7. 7 little stripers. Shout out to Uncut Angling. Oh, give me a little cut, but oh yeah, that's a beaut. Caught him on a full minnow with a little treble. Fishing has been slow. But there's my 4th. Number 4, keep skir. Skip. Bang. That's gonna be good on some fish tacos. Oh, that's a bite. Another one on a tip up. Get over there. Oh, son of a... I'm too slow. Oh, there might still be something down there. Oh yeah. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. It's a good one. Oh, it's a jumbo, dude. That is a jumbo. I'm gonna get down there quick, see if I can't catch another one. And then we'll talk about that fish. But yeah, that's a nice fish there. Ooh, Kenny, I got a good one. There she is. Oh, that's a tank. Bang. That is a beauty of a... That is some South Dakota gold. If I've ever seen South Dakota gold, that right there. Come on, get that dorsal up, buddy. Come on. That is some South Dakota gold. That's all of 10. All of 10 right there. Just a jumbo. Ooh, doggy. Thank you, mister. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7! Let's go. That's what I like to see. Yes, sir. There we go. I'm on. That's a good one. Good one, maybe. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's a tank. That might be 12, dude. Damn, that is a tanker, dude. Hey. Oh, right in the corner of the mouth with that 64th. Oh, she just popped out. Golly, that's biggest of the day by far. That might be 11.
Yeah, it could be. You want to get a measurement on her?
Yeah, let's go get a measurement on her. Bang. Beauty. Caught on that tungsten. He came up and smacked me for once. Got a little bruisey there. Oh yeah, I might hit 11. 11 and a quarter. Look at that. It's a beaut. Oh yeah. He makes all those other ones look tiny. Look at him up to this guy. Oops. Well, let's catch another one. Well. That was the day. I'd say it was slow. It was pretty slow. We fished for probably 4 hours maybe. I ended up with 6 or 7 keepers, but caught probably 10 fish, 10, 11 fish. I mean, it's slow for right now. We're in the middle of February, so I'm just closing out the video. The GoPro's about to die. It's probably when I'm going to catch like a 30-inch walleye, but if I do, so be it. You guys, it sucks for you guys. It's a dub for me. But thanks for watching. We'll be back with another episode of South Dakota Sloughs. I don't know what that's called. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.